Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Apple ID tied to the watch. This is the key to bypass activation lock. Once done, place the watch on its charger and keep your iPhone within range with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active. Open the Watch app, go to My Watch, then All Watches. From here you can unpair. This triggers an erase on the watch and prompts for the Apple ID password to disable activation lock. If you can't enter that Apple ID, stop here and proceed to Owner or iCloud removal. If you cannot unlock the watch, erase it directly on the device. Keep it charging, press and hold the side button until power sliders appear, then press firmly on Power Off and select Erase All Content and Settings. This clears the passcode and data. Alternatively, if you have the paired iPhone, use Unpair Apple Watch in the Watch app. This triggers a remote erase and requests the Apple ID password so activation lock is removed. These steps reset the watch so it can be paired anew. Once the watch is erased, open the Watch app and start pairing. Hold the watch near the iPhone and follow on screen animation to link them. Make sure you sign in with the Apple ID that previously owned the watch, because activation lock will reappear until that account is removed. This is why credentials matter. Restore from a backup if available, otherwise set up as new. If activation lock still blocks pairing, get the original owner to remove the device in iCloud.com or provide Apple proof of purchase for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.